Reducing your body's toxin load is crucial when trying to conceive. Detoxing starts with reducing the amount of toxins that are coming in, supporting your elimination pathways, and lastly, supporting your liver, which is your main detox organ. Eggs and sperm take 3 to 4 months to fully mature before desired conception, but the most ideal time frame is going to be 6 to 12 months before desired conception. My name is Julia. I'm a fertility nutrition consultant and a hormone holistic health coach with a degree in nutrition, and I am here to help you embody food-first approach for balanced hormones, improved fertility, and better periods. The first step to detoxing is to reduce the amount of toxins coming in. Toxins can promote oxidative stress, damage the DNA in your eggs, and make it hard to form an embryo, which can all negatively impact conception. Egg quality naturally declines with age, but decreasing the exposure to toxins can really help slow this process down. Many toxins can mimic your natural hormones too, which can mess with your hormone balance, cycle regulation, and ovulation. For example, BPA has been associated with a higher risk of fertility issues, preeclampsia during pregnancy, and also gestational diabetes. Phthalates and plastics have been associated with irregular menstrual cycles. Consider swapping out plastic food containers and plastic water bottles with glass or stainless steel ones instead. Also avoid picking up paper receipts at the store, as they tend to have a very high amount of BPA. Canned food linings also tend to have a high amount of BPA. While there may be BPA-free options, there is some research that shows this could be more harmful than BPA itself. Try to opt for glass jars if you can. Next is to reduce fragrance. While fragrance may be known for just being in body mist, cologne, and perfume, it's also going to be found in your laundry detergent, your cleaning products, your shampoo and conditioner, conventional candles, and so much more. Companies typically put toxic chemicals under the name of fragrance, perfume, and also aroma. So if you ever look at the ingredients to these products and see any of these names, it's going to be code for phthalates. Phthalates are used so the smell can stick around longer. So when you wash your clothes with a laundry detergent with fragrance, you're going to notice this smell will stay on your clothes for a very long time. Reduce pesticide intake by following the Dirty Dozen and Clean 15 list. It's no surprise that pesticides and herbicides can promote oxidative stress and damage DNA in your eggs, harming egg quality and also fertility. However, it can be difficult and unreasonable for a lot of people to buy all their food organic. The conventional produce that has the highest amount of pesticide residue is going to be considered to be your Dirty Dozen list, and this is when you want to buy these certain foods organic. Now, the conventional produce items that have the least amount of pesticide residue is going to be known as your Clean 15, and these conventional produce items you can buy conventional and not buy organic. The second step in your detox journey is going to be to support your elimination pathways. The 5 pathways in which toxins can be eliminated is through your urine, bowel movements, sweat, lymphatic flow, and your lungs. This is the time in your detox journey where you are essentially unclogging the drains so the water can flow out of the sink, aka the toxins can be eliminated from your body. The first elimination pathway you can support is your lymphatic system. This circulatory system is going to be cleaning up your body to eliminate waste and is activated through jumping up and down on a rebounder, doing jump rope, dry brushing, getting a lymphatic massage, or even just contracting and relaxing your muscles during exercise. Certain foods like citrus fruits and berries are going to be high in antioxidants like vitamin C and are very hydrating, which can help keep your lymph fluid thin and mobile, supporting a healthy lymphatic system. Kale, arugula, and spinach are all high in chlorophyll, which is that green pigment in the plant that helps with binding to toxins so they can be eliminated properly. Chlorophyll also helps with oxygenation and circulation to help with healthy lymph movement. Next pathway is your urinary system. Drinking enough water is crucial for excreting excess toxins and waste. Making sure you're staying hydrated through drinking half your body weight in ounces of water every single day is absolutely critical. You can also drink more herbal tea, add in more hydrating fruits and veggies, and also flavor your water to help increase your water intake. Dandelion tea and celery juice both act as natural diuretics, which can help promote urination. Apple cider vinegar and lemon can help balance pH and also aid detoxification. When it comes to apple cider vinegar, make sure that it is diluted by adding just 1 tablespoon of it in a big glass of water. Your respiratory system is your next pathway. Toxins can be eliminated through your lungs, so eating antioxidant-rich foods is going to be vital to help protect them. Eating colorful foods like berries, tomatoes, carrots, and green tea can help increase antioxidant intake, And also do not forget to do deep breathing, as this is going to be another way that toxins can be excreted. Supporting your digestive system is also vital for detoxing, as regular bowel movements are going to make sure that your toxins are being eliminated and not being reabsorbed by your body. Focus on drinking enough water and eating more fiber-rich foods. The recommended dietary allowance for fiber is 25 grams a day, but most Americans are getting a lot less than that. So make sure when you're increasing your fiber, if you're consuming a lot less, to make sure you're gradually increasing it day by day instead of doing it all at once. When you do that, it's just going to be causing more constipation and bloat, which is not going to be pleasant. Fiber is found in many foods like fruits, veggies, beans, oats, nuts, and seeds, and it's going to be essential for making sure you're getting a daily bowel movement every single day. Having enough good gut bacteria in your gut is going to be vital for a healthy digestive tract, and this is where probiotics like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, or sauerkraut is going to be very important. Sweating is another way toxins can be eliminated, so exercising, going in a hot bath, going in a sauna, or even stepping outside on a hot day can all help make sure that you are sweating. Certain foods can also help with this too. Think spicy foods like cayenne, ginger, and even garlic. If you've been loving this video so far and have been having some questions popping up on your trying to conceive journey, make sure to give me a follow on Instagram and also hit me out with a direct message. I would love to be able to connect with you and help you out over there. The last step for proper detoxification is to support your liver, which is your main detox organ. Your liver is key to support after you focus the systems of elimination, as it's going to help transform these toxins into water so they can leave the body efficiently. When people do detoxes and choose to focus on the liver first, this tends to cause more harm than good because the toxins have nowhere to go, which can cause them to build up and again cause more harm in your body. Certain nutrients are needed for specific pathways, but two specific nutrients that are needed for each one is going to be protein and sulfur. Sulfur helps improve liver function by improving glutathione production. Glutathione is the strong antioxidant that helps protect your liver from oxidative damage. An easy way to pinpoint which foods have sulfur is going to be the ones that smell like rotten eggs. So eggs, cruciferous veggies like broccoli, kale, or cauliflower, and even broccoli sprouts. Protein is also vital for detoxification as it helps provide the building blocks, which are amino acids, to help neutralize and excrete these toxins out of the body. High quality dairy and meats, eggs, legumes, and seeds and nuts are all going to be high in protein. Iron is going to be a specific mineral that is really important for detoxification. This is because without iron, stage 1 detox cannot be carried out efficiently. Iron has many roles, but the main one is going to be that it serves as a cofactor for a family of enzymes that helps convert toxins into water so they can be excreted out of your body efficiently. Iron is found in many foods like quinoa, pumpkin seeds, and grass-fed beef. Magnesium and folate are two critical nutrients that support your methylation pathway. This pathway is vital for excreting waste and also heavy metals. Magnesium is found in foods like cacao powder and cashews, and folate is rich in foods like asparagus and also strawberries. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more videos like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button to be notified when new videos are being released. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.